les nombres, numbers. Let's discuss numbers in this video with the pronunciation. So first is zero, 0. Second is 1, a. 2 is the, because E and U has the sound a, and last consonant will not be pronounced. So the pronunciation will be the. Third is trois, trois, because O and I has the sound wa. So trois. 4 is quatre, quatre, because QUA has sound ka, ka. So it will be quatre. 5 is cinq, cinq. Now from number 6 to 10, there is exception in these numbers. So let's see. Number 6 is seize. Here X will be pronounced as je, seize. In number 7, P will be silent. So the pronunciation will be set, not sept, it is set. Next is wheat. Because as I told you in my previous videos that H is considered as vowel in French, so it is not pronounced. And U and I has sound ui. So the pronunciation will be wheat. Next is 9, nuff. Because in my previous video, I told you that when a word ends with consonant C, F, or L, then it will be pronounced completely. So the pronunciation will be nuff. And last is these. These. X has the pronunciation of je, so these. Next, from number 11 to 16, all are ending with ZE, as you can see in the presentation. And at the end, we have vowel E. So it means we have to pronounce it completely. If you have not seen my previous video, please go and watch that video to make it clear to how to pronounce the French words and how to pronounce when we have vowels in a word. So 11 will be pronounced as ons. Number 12, douze, because O and U has the sound U. So douze. Number 13, treize. E and I has sound A. Treize. Quatorze. Quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16, seize. 17, dix-sept. 18, dix-huit. 19, dix-neuf. 20, vingt. 20. Let's discuss it one more time. Zéro, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.